Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Glad to have you. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe so that you can keep receiving these lovely videos. So today I'm going to be making one of our favorite cookies. My kids absolutely love it. So here are the ingredients we're going to be using today. As you can see, I've got some coconut, I've got flour, I've got oatmeal, I've got egg, I've got some knob of butter, I've got vanilla extract and lemon extract. So to start with, I'm gonna melt butter and sugar in a medium-sized saucepan. So we're gonna cook this over a low heat, stirring regularly until the butter and the sugar are melted. So once the sugar and the butter are melted, we're gonna turn the heat up to medium and cook the mixture just until it begins to boil. And thereafter, we're gonna remove the mixture from the heat and let it cool for 5 minutes. So keep watching. So the next thing we're gonna do is to combine all the dry ingredients together. So we're gonna start with the coconuts, and then the oats, and the flour, and the baking powder and salt. I already combined together. Mix this all, make sure it's well combined, and thereafter I'm gonna add the butter and sugar mixture to the dry ingredients. So keep watching. So we're gonna add the vanilla extract and the lemon extract, which is optional, and then the egg. I was so lucky, the egg I bought had 2 yolks. So first time, 2 yolks. So we're gonna add the egg and combine it, mix it. Keep, make sure it's well combined. At this point, you preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius while you're preparing the batter. So in a lined parchment paper, you are gonna scoop 1.5 teaspoons of the batter. You make sure you spread it out because whilst it's cooking, it's gonna expand so that it has enough room to expand, or else it's gonna all mix together and you will not be able to have individual cookies. So as you can see, I'm trying to make sure it's a bit even, but it's quite difficult to get all the cookies in the exact shape. But I did try my best. Are you still watching and you haven't subscribed? What are you waiting for, lovely? Come on, join the train. Join us, be part of the family. So you're gonna cook this for 7 to 10 minutes till the edges are golden brown. And here we are. It's ready, but we have to wait for about 3 to 4 minutes before we start removing them from the tray, or else it's gonna be sticky and it's gonna break. So I was in a bit of a hurry, so I did wait. I could have waited longer. I was in a hurry. I had to go somewhere, so I had to remove it. I kept it in a tray to cool down, and as you can see, it's all ready. Guys, it's so important for you to store this in an airtight container so that this cookie doesn't lose its crunch. The crunchiness is the best part of this cookie, so do that and you'll be fine. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you loads. See you in the next one.